Hello there, Jason Butler here. Thanks for joining me on another one of my self-build series. Well, today is the second day of the site clearance, and it's all going very well. So let me just take you around the site and show you what's going on. This is day 2 of the site clearance, and we basically cleared off all the vegetation and all the muck, just digging out some tree roots, and we're marking out where the house should be. So you can see we're just setting everything out. We've got the driveway there, that's going to be pulled up shortly. The garage base, that's been pulled out and that's all ready to go in a big lorry. We've got a load of vegetation here, it's all pulled up, that's got to be put in a big pile to rot down. And we've got Lee here in the digger, he's pulling out some tree roots. Look at the size of that one there, that's enormous. They're going to be put on this great big bonfire here. We're just starting to mark out, as you can see here, where the actual house is going to go. So that's the end of the house, and this is where it's going to be the patio area in due course. And that's, if you can see, that's the sort of length of the house, the length of where, just before where Ryan is down the end there. That's the house where it finishes. So it's all starting to take shape. And what's quite impressive is how big the site is. It's much bigger when you've got all the rubbish out of the way, and you can actually see, the extent of everything. So I'll see you again shortly.